Hi, welcome back to my channel. This time is the DIY attempt to fix my broken tuning pack. It's my Gibson, it's Gibson style and it's broken. And let's try to fix this. By the way, this is not a professional job, so I don't recommend you to imitate anything on this video. It's just for your inspiration. So let's clean this up. And so here we go. I did disassemble them and I put some cleaner. Forgive my camera please. And okay, I have a glove but I didn't use it. It just not feel right, so please don't do this. You can see that I'm trying to clean this thing up. It's done, it's clean, and I'm trying to put them back. So the screws, the gear, I just put them back into one. So here's the first experiment. I pinch with the pincher, and I don't really want to use glue, so I guess I will solder it. So you can see that I put some grease on it, on the gear. Try to put them back and pinch them so it doesn't move. And I take my soldering iron and try to solder them. It looks it's gonna work, but apparently it is not. It cannot connect. So the next attempt, I'm trying to make a hole so I can screw it up. So I took a drill and making two holes. This is my second experiment, and apparently, yeah, it failed. It looks good, but it failed because the screw is broken and I had to re-drill it again, and it's exhausting. So this is the part where I try to put them back into one and screw them down, but I guess the screw is broken and I have to drill it again. And finally, the last attempt, which is succeed. I used the round climb to just climb it, because as you can see on the picture, so it works fine, like it never been broken before, so I'm pretty happy about it. Please leave a comment for this video. I would love to hear some advices. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye bye.